this is lovely, isn't it?
Oh, are you okay with that?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm just going to go outside though and relax.
Did you see that detective show last night? I love how the actor plays her character. It really makes the show.
Yeah, she gets straight to the point, doesn't she?
I think she's meant to be autistic.
Ha, yeah. Did you see her march up to that guy? She was so rude. That's what they do.
Autistic people?
Yeah, they can't have proper conversations like you and me.
Oh?
They're so inappropriate and can't have relationships.
Really?
Oh, she's gonna blow.
Compose yourself, Ashley.
Yeah, they're not intelligent and can't hold down jobs.
Wow.
You know, I never knew this about autistic people.
Yep, you can't touch them either. They don't like that.
Will somebody just give her a shovel?
Ah, you see, the thing is, I'm autistic. And whilst I find your overgeneralised interpretation of people on the autistic spectrum offensive, it's also ridiculously inaccurate. So, as an autistic person, I feel the need to help you out a bit.
Oh, I didn't know.
Please don't interrupt. It's rude. Also, it actually takes me a fair amount of background effort to get my point across, being autistic, you know? So, just give me some time.
Somebody pass the popcorn.
First, being on the autistic spectrum isn't a negative thing. Also, no two autistically minded people are exactly the same, ever. Yes, I can be straight to the point, others might not be. I would say we were having a proper conversation right now. I do have to work through my literal thinking, and would be super if some people would put the same amount of effort into working through their arrogance. Which leads me to being inappropriate, was it? Inappropriate behaviour isn't restricted to a neurological type. I also have a husband, children, friends, and those relationships are beautiful and fun. Oh, and I hug them all. I have a job. I have 2 jobs.
I'm sorry. You don't look autistic. You must just be a little bit autistic.
Round 2.
You see, there's no such thing as being either mildly or severely autistic. You're either autistic or you're not. The autistic spectrum isn't linear and not something you can measure. Each person's autism is unique to them due to their collection of traits. And in fact, every non-autistic person has a few traits or 2. So yeah, bright lights, certain sounds and small talk, just to name a few, are a challenge I face daily in this neurotypically designed world. But with the right support from family and friends, and the correct strategies in place, I can manage just fine.
I'm so sorry. I'm really thankful for you taking the time to tell me all of this. I just need to hug you.
She's going to do what now?
I think you're such an amazing person being the way you are. You know, you just couldn't put a price on it.
Time for us to go, I think. I'm so sorry about my friend.
Oh, don't worry. I just didn't want her passing her preconceived ideas of autism on to you.
I've learned never to assume, that's for sure.
Are you okay out there?
Never better.